Our customers are more and more conscious of the sustainability topics, and there's an increased pressure coming from the external world towards them. It is the license to operate for them in the future. Both us at Metso as well as our customers are measured on scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions. And as a supplier to our customer, Metso is their scope 3 emissions. That's why the pressure is going to be increasing more and more in this field, and we want to be the front runner helping our customers to achieve their sustainability targets. At Metso, we take it extremely seriously, and we live by our purpose statement, enabling sustainable modern life. What Metso is doing in this area is that we are working in many fronts. First of all, we're making sure that we are using renewable energy sources in our own operations. We're transferring to use renewable energy and biomethane. Secondly, we are working on investing into our own renewable energy production, such as solar power in our operations. Then we are helping our suppliers and vendors on their journey as well. We are putting a preference on those suppliers and vendors who are committed to science-based targets, and we are helping them to achieve those targets and supporting them on their journey as well. First and foremost, it requires commitment and ambitious targets. When everyone is committed, willing and able to do the necessary actions and the investments, then we can reach those targets. The biggest challenges that we faced to begin with was to formulate the big picture. We need to understand what we are doing, what do we need to tackle the most to make the biggest impact. Once we had the roadmap in our heads on the investments, on the target setting, we were able to move forward. Then the challenges were starting to be more and more operational. Is there renewable energy available? What can we do in that space? So there's a variety of challenges, but with a committed team, we are able to overcome whatever challenges there are. What I'm most proud of is simply the team that we have, the commitment that they have, and the achievement that we've done so far. When our customers are working with Metso, they know that they're working with a trusted, dependable partner, highly professional individuals and groups of people. And we are the front runners in terms of sustainability. So we want to be their partner in their journey towards more sustainable tomorrow.